Hey everybody, and welcome back to Crafting Made Easy. I just want to do a quick video on a few molds that I've got, and I just wanted to let you know we're going to have a good time with some resin. I have a tic-tac-toe mold coming and a backwards alphabet mold coming. Someone stated that they had one, so I checked on Amazon and I ordered one, so it should be coming here on Friday. So we're going to do a ton of videos. I have so many things that I've seen and want to try with the alphabet mold, so we're going to have a good old time. But these are a few molds that I've had this one, but I haven't really played with it a lot. So this is a scrub top. I just got this one today. This is a wine caddy. So you'll put the wine bottle here and then two wine glasses there. So we're going to have some fun with that one coming soon. And then this one, as you see, is still in the wrapper. Is just a circle mold. But I'm going to use it to do some resin pop sockets. Ignore the rest of the stuff on my desk. I'm trying to clean up. So I can't even get it out of the pack. 1 second. Alright, so I'm going to use this, and it came with, is it two or is this one thick one? I think it's two. Yeah, it's two. So they're just jammed in together. So it came with two molds. I didn't know it was coming with two. I thought it was just one, but hey, the more the merrier. And I'm going to use this for, you can use it for anything, soap, candles, whatever. But what I'm going to use it for is pop sockets. So you'll just put some resin in there and then put the pop socket in it, and then when it cures and everything, you take it out and then boom. So I'll do a video on that one as well. And then this one is going to be my fave, I think. It is a tray one. And I might have to just put y'all on pause for a second. This one looks like it might come out. Sorry about all the noise. Alright, there we go. So this is a tray one. I got this off of Amazon. So I think this one is the medium tray. It doesn't say, but I think this one is the medium tray. So it came with two handles, some screws, but I'm probably not going to use the screws. I probably just want to put the handles in when the resin is thickening up a little bit and sit it on top. But this is the tray. It's not really thick, but it's enough. So I think that's what we're going to play with that. And like I said, I have a tic-tac-toe mold coming and a backwards alphabet mold coming. So, and I have other molds too. I have the coaster one that it will be should be posted before this one is posted. So I have the coaster, I have the single coasters, I have bookmarks, I have tumblers, I have a ton of molds. So we are going to play with a lot of resin and play with a lot of molds to try out some different techniques. So just be on the lookout for those videos coming soon. I didn't pull out the other molds because I wanted to show the ones I just recently got. But as we move along, I will show you those other molds that I have. Alright, y'all. Like I said, this was a very quick video. I just wanted to show you some of the molds that I have and just prepare you for some fun time with resin. Alright, until next time, everyone. Peace.